In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a scatter graph in Microsoft Excel. A scatter graph is perfect for showing relationships between two sets of numbers, like how one variable might change as another increases. By the end, you'll have a clean chart with clear labels, and you'll know how to fine-tune it so it communicates your data effectively. First, open your Excel sheet so you're looking at the data you want to plot. To help Excel build the chart correctly, arrange your numbers in two adjacent columns. Think of the left column as your X values and the right column as your Y values. Keeping them side by side allows Excel to pair each X with its corresponding Y automatically. Place the X-axis data in the left column and the Y-axis data in the right column. Above each column, add a short descriptive header. For example, you might label the left column time, days, and the right column growth CM. One important tip, keep the cells with numbers strictly numeric. Don't type units like cm or percent inside the number cells. Put units only in the headers. This prevents Excel from misreading your values and ensures the chart scales correctly. Next, click and drag to select all of your data, including the headers. It's important to highlight a continuous block so Excel knows exactly which values and labels belong together. Now go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. In the Charts group, look for the icon that resembles a scatter plot, typically a cluster of dots. Click it and choose the basic scatter option, also called Scatter Dots Only. If you prefer a connected look, you can pick Scatter with Smooth Lines. But remember that lines imply a visual connection. Dots Only is best when you simply want to show the distribution of points. Once your chart appears, use the plus icon called Chart Elements in the top right corner of the chart to add a chart title and axis titles. Replace the placeholders with clear, concise labels and include units in the axis titles so viewers immediately understand what they're seeing. To highlight a pattern, right-click any data point and choose Add Trend Line. A linear trend line is common, but you can explore other types if they better fit your data. This helps reveal relationships at a glance. Finally, with the chart selected, use the Chart Design and Format tabs to adjust colors, styles, and axis scales. If your points are clustered, consider changing the axis bounds to spread them out for better readability. Tweak marker size and colors to match your presentation style, and you're done. That's how to make a clear professional scatter graph in Excel.